Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be downloading the Xbox app right here on iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. It's the exact same instructions for all of them. Let's go right into your App Store. In your App Store, all we have to do is just search. So it's on the bottom far right. We're going to tap and search. Then up here, we're just going to type in Xbox for now. And our first option in this case will say Xbox. That's exactly what we need to download. Don't download the other ones because you don't need them. The one that you actually do need is the first one. Then later on, you might need the other ones, but for now, just tap on Get. It is a free app and it doesn't take that much space. You can actually see how much space this is going to take. So let me just tap on Get again, and then it's going to start downloading. Let me just tap on the app itself, and we're going to see exactly how big this is. So if I scroll down, I'm going to see a little bit more information about this app, which includes the size, which is only 96 megabytes. Again, pretty small. It's also going to tell you which iPhones or iPads or iPod Touch this will work on. So basically, as long as you have your iPad at iPad OS 12 and up, you're good to go. Same goes with your iPod Touch and iPhones, same deal. As long as you have iOS 12 and up, this will download just fine. So as mentioned, this is a really small app, so that's why it downloaded so fast. I'm just going to open it up. And as we open it up, we just have to sign in. If you guys don't have a sign in, this will be the time to create one so you guys can set up console or sign in right away. It's pretty much the same thing. But anyways, that's it. That's how you guys can download this Xbox app, which most of you are downloading it just in case you bought a new Xbox. This is the fastest way to set it up. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.